Hello everyone, Elizabeth Allgood here, and I'm about to give you guys a quick update. But first, let's talk about the California housing market. According to the latest data from the California Association of Realtors, the California housing market experienced a slight recovery in February. This report shows a third consecutive month of improved sales, with favorable interest rates driving more buyers into the market. The statewide annualized sales figure of existing family homes, detached homes, rose to about 17.6% in February, with the availability of homes remaining extremely tight and housing supply conditions not expected to improve anytime soon. Prices, though, should bottom out later this year as interest rates stabilize. But again, housing goes hand in hand with supply and demand. And right now, we do not have enough supply of homes. Now for an update in the mortgage and financial sector. I know you guys are waiting for this one. As you probably heard, Credit Suisse Bank was having some major issues last week. But UBS is now purchasing CS for about $3.3 billion. Fun fact, the sales price per share marked a 99% decline from its peak in 2007. So now the Federal Reserve is re-evaluating tougher rules for mid-sized banks after the fall of SVB and Signature Bank. It is looking for capital and liquidity requirements and could beef up annual stress tests that assesses a bank's ability to weather a potential recession. Large U.S. banks, though, have been inundated with new depositors as small banks are facing this turmoil. The Swiss National Bank is offering 100 billion franc liquidity assistance to UBS, while the government is granting a 9 billion franc guarantee for potential losses from assets that UBS is taking over. Regulator FINMA said about 16 billion francs of Credit Suisse bonds will become worthless to ensure private investors help shoulder the costs. In the United States, Signature, First Republic, Silvergate, and Silicon Valley Bank, they will all have an impact on regional banks. Remember that SVB is a California chartered commercial bank and part of the Federal Reserve System, so is not eligible for bankruptcy and ended in Federal Deposit Insurance Corps receivership instead. However, its parent company is eligible to file to protect its remaining assets and work on repaying creditors, including bondholders. The FDIC entered into a purchase and assumption agreement for substantially all deposits and certain loan portfolios of Signature, Bridge Bank, National Association by Flagstar Bank, National Association Hicksville, New York, a wholly owned subsidiary of New York Community Bank Corp. The 40 former branches of Signature Bank will operate under New York Community Bank Corp Flagstar Bank today. A good friend of mine over the weekend told me that the beginning of the week actually starts on Sunday. I beg to differ. I believe the week starts on Monday, but we're both wrong and we're both right. So with that said, have a great week. If you have questions, feel free to reach out and don't forget to hit the like button and share this video.